and you stick the gooey, slimy stuff on your face and you leave it there till it dries and you wash it off.
My face, but I rub it gently because I don't want to get like a rash and I don't want to.
A lot of protein, and it keeps the dandruff away, keeps your scalp moisturized.
Like it gets like a little oil and warm. Keep it on the face.
Hi guys, this is me Deepthi. Today in this video we are gonna try and test the Bollywood celebrities beauty hacks. Most of the celebrities today have their own YouTube channel in which they post about their skincare routine, hair care routine, tips and tricks and all of that. So today we're gonna try and test if that works or not. Good morning guys, this is the right time to do Katrina Kaif's beauty hack. What she does is she takes a bowl and fill the bowl with a lot of ice cubes, fill it with water and she dips her face into that for a minute. So let me put the timer to 1 minute. Started. You guys, I couldn't even dip my full face into this. My nose area has got even more cold than the rest of my face. I couldn't even talk guys. Let me take a minute and come back. I completely went and applied some lipstick and came back. So I have something to say to you guys. Never ever try this hack. I woke up with a very good health. I did not have any nose block or sore throat. I woke up completely fine, but now I am having running nose. Coldness, the chillness of the highs is getting into my throat. My voice is blocked right now. I couldn't talk that much. I know this hack is very good for puffy eyes and to remove the water retention on your face, but this has very bad side effects on your health. So why compromise on your health for your beauty? Just after doing the ice facial, I got a runny nose. So edit. If you are someone who has sinus, I don't have sinus. Even if you don't have sinus, don't ever try this hack. It has very bad effect on your health. These are the better ways you can depuff your face. This is rose quartz roller. You can spray some rose water onto your face and you can massage this rose quartz roller onto your face like this. This will help to depuff your face. Or else you could use patches like these. These are like gel patches. You could keep this in your freezer and this would freeze up, and after that you can keep this onto your eyes and relax for like 10 minutes. Okay, or else the simplest way is that take a simple ice cube, a single ice cube, and rub it all over your face. That's it. The major way to depuff your face is that drink a lot of water. Dehydration can cause the blood vessels on your face to enlarge and that will make your face to look swollen and puffed up. So drink a lot of water. Dehydration is the primary cause for puffiness on your face. So I would rate this hack 0 out of 5 or even minus out of 5. Will I repeat this hack in the future? Never. Never ever ever I'm gonna try this hack again. You guys never ever try the Katrina Kaif's ice facial. Oh my god. This hack is by Leone.
You just cut the leaf off, you pull the inside out, you smash it up and you stick the gooey, slimy stuff on your face and you leave it there till it dries and you wash it off.
Aloe vera is a unique ingredient that suits all skin types. I love DIY face packs and aloe vera. I've been using this for the longest time and I'm sure this is gonna work. I add the aloe vera flesh. This is how it looks like. It's very slimy, guys. Aloe vera soothes the sunburns, it moisturizes the skin, it fades dark spots and stretch marks, it prevents and controls acne, and if there's any existing acne, it also fades away that. Sunny Leone asked us to wait for it to dry and then rinse it off with water. So I'm just gonna wait. For it to dry and I'll come back. So this is my face after washing it off. It has definitely brightened my skin and it moisturized my skin so well, and also it did suck out the excessive oil, excess sebum on my skin. I have an oily skin, so it did that perfectly. Sunny Leone calls this as her skincare secret. She uses aloe vera every single day. Aloe vera is anti-aging. So yeah, now we know the secret of Sunny Leone's youthful skin. I would rate this hack 5 out of 5. Will I use this in future? Yes, definitely I will use this DIY hack again and again. This hack is by Janhvi Kapoor. She uses this face pack before our events and red carpet looks.
मैं थोड़ा सा दही, just like a little bit, ऐसा शहद. So I'm using some mashed up bananas. My father hates it when I do this. Now you're all ready. This is how you go to every event and every party. This is all you need to put on your face.
Mama's made some nice curd using A2 cow milk. The ingredients are combined in this bowl. We're gonna mix it up using our fingers. Janhvi uses her fingers to mix it up. I don't like the smell of this banana and yogurt mixture. She says she could eat this up. I could never smell this. We're gonna apply this onto her face. I'm applying a very little bit because of its smell. For me, yogurt and banana is not a very soothing combo for my nose. For my face and skin, this is very moisturizing, and Janhvi says this also removes the dead skin cells. This pack has been passed to Janhvi by a mother, Sridevi. Sridevi, our very own gorgeous Sridevi, uses yogurt and honey on her face and also taught her daughters to use that. But Janhvi got bored of the yogurt and honey thing, so she added bananas into it. I am not okay with the smell, but yeah, we got to do what we got to do. So after massaging, Janhvi takes a slice of orange and rubs it all over her face. So I'm gonna cut an orange and be back.
And I'm gonna rub it on my face, but I rub it gently because I don't want to get like a rash and I don't want to cut my skin because I have super sensitive skin.
So I'm gonna rub this orange slice onto my face. The smell of orange is so refreshing. Better than the yogurt and banana mixture. Janhvi does not say how many minutes you should do this scrubbing or how many minutes you should leave the face pack on. So we'll do it for like 2 minutes. I'll wash my face and be right back. My skin feels so good. It has definitely brightened my skin by eliminating the dead skin cells. It has eliminated my dull skin, and that's how it has brightened my skin. All of the ingredients that she added in her face mask is super moisturizing, so dry skin people definitely use this face pack every single day. For oily skin, you could use this once or twice a week. Being an oily skin type, now I don't feel the need to use a moisturizer because the ingredients are super nourishing and super moisturizing, super hydrating. I don't feel like using a moisturizer on my face right now. I just want to let it free. I just want to let my skin breathe. I would rate this face mask 5 stars out of 5. This is a secret told her by Sridevi ji. Definitely I will use this face pack in future. This haircut tip is by Sonaksh Sinha.
Thing that my mom swears by is yogurt and egg whites for your hair.
And here are the benefits.
It keeps the dandruff away, keeps your scalp moisturized, and good. Like it's really good for you. So.
Combining the ingredients was a bit difficult. I think I need to use my fingers to apply it. Whenever I use eggs for hair packs, I make sure that I put the whole egg into it. But Sonaksh uses only egg whites. So I completely went in and applied this hair pack in front of my mirror. Sonaksh did not say how many minutes you should leave this hair pack on. I'm just gonna leave this for 20 minutes. It's been 30 minutes since this is soaking up on my hair. I will wash my hair and be right back. I am right out of the shower. I did not use a conditioner. I just washed my hair with some herbal shampoo and that's it. I will tell you the result after I dry my hair. So this is me after drying my hair. I did not use blow dryers to dry it. I just went up to the terrace, up in the sun and dried my hair. The good thing about this hair mask is that it did add volume to my hair and also it did clean my scalp really well. The downside is that it did make my hair really dry. My hair is already dry and it did make my hair really dry after washing it. I need to apply hair serum after washing my hair because the hair mask made my hair even more drier. So I would rate this hack 3 stars out of 5. So will I repeat this hack? I will repeat this hack only if I oil my hair prior to the hair mask. So if you have a dry hair, make sure to apply hair oil before any hair mask. This hack is by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. For this I need a makeup on my face. I just returned home from dinner and this is the right time to remove my makeup, and PC says how you can remove your makeup with oil.
I use organic coconut oil, which is amazing. That's great, right? Like it gets like a little oil and warm. Keep it on the face for like couple of minutes and then take like a moist hand towel, like put that in hot water, and then once it's moist, just like sort of rub it against your skin gently like that, and it exfoliates and hydrates at the same time.
She has used coconut oil on her skin and I am taking this Parachutes coconut oil. Little bit and applying this on my face. Guys, see the lipstick disappear. Coconut oil is comedogenic, meaning that it will clog your pores. It does break the makeup, but it will clog your pores. She goes on saying that you need to wipe this oil with a warm towel, so I'm going to make that warm towel. My warm towel is ready. It feels so good, guys. Clogging pores leads to pimples, acne, blackheads, whiteheads. I have a kajal on my waterline, but I'm scared to use coconut oil on my waterline. So now let me tell you if this is right or wrong. Being a South Indian, I have never used coconut oil on my skin. Maybe as a teenager, I would have used coconut oil on my skin, but right now after knowing it clogs your pores, it is comedogenic, I have never used coconut oil on my skin, but for my hair, coconut oil is my best friend. Oil does breaks the makeup so well. So there are few oils which you can use which are non-comedogenic, which will not clog your pores, and that are grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sunflower oil, rosehip seed oil, sweet almond oil and castor oil. I would rate this Priyanka Chopra Jonas hack 2 stars out of 5. Will I repeat this hack in future? Not really. On my face, definitely I will not repeat it, but on my lips, I might use coconut oil to remove that liquid matte lipsticks. So yeah, that's it for this video today. Let me know in the comment section if we could do part 2 of testing a celebrity's beauty hacks. So until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye guys, take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.